As he sends in the cross, that's the first ball from Fabio Gama. Right place, right time. Deadlock is broken. We are in for a game.
And to understand what the academy objectives were for Kotoko, really, right from the start. And obviously, Nana Yao's got a real vision to have a pathway to get players through an academy and into a first team, which is similar here at Southampton. And it was really fantastic to hear that as well. So for myself, I've been having regular calls with Ghazali and Nana Yao as well. And we've been sharing some of our philosophies and methodologies here that we're doing at Southampton, but really important how we can adapt them and use them for you guys in Kotoko as well to enhance the good work you're already doing and to help and support from there. So we're actually in a process now which we're going through and looking at the detail of now of to really deliver your own academy performance plan there in Kotoko. So here at Southampton, we have 4 books within our performance plan, which is the objective, the style, the approach, and the productivity of what is coming through the end as well. So we're going to look at that and break that down into the detail of what is needed and what will work best for you guys to support your player development and coach development. Within that, there'll also be seasonal session plans coming out there, which is our macro part, and also looking at the recruitment process that we use and how we can support you guys, and obviously coach education, because if we can improve the coaches, then naturally that will improve the players and develop those players and allow them to turn that potential into excellence. And again, that's supporting Nana Yao's academy dream. We touched on earlier about, obviously getting the staff out to Ghana, definitely me included. I need to come out and have a look. I'm very looking forward to that, to coming and meeting you guys and seeing your own players and your own coaches in your own environment and helping and supporting from there. And also bringing the Kotoko staff to Southampton, which will be great, so we can share with you what we do here at Southampton on a daily basis, how we work with our players, how we work with different staff. So again, the Kotoko staff can meet not only our coaching staff, but also the psychological team, our sports science, medical guys, everybody there, the analysts, recruitment staff, to help and support the vision that Nana Yao has. And then the next part is really looking at the coach education. As I sort of touched on, it's important if we can share that knowledge and experience that we have here to help and enhance your own coaches there in the Accra community. So we can do this through an online platform. So we've got our own Southampton Football Club Introduction to Coaching model that we're going to share with the coaches there in the regions, which will work through player development, coach development, session planning, match day support. And it'll just show them what it's like for us coaches here in the Premier League, how we work with players, but also what we do here at Southampton and share some of the Southampton way.
Just adding to that, Dante, in terms of, so it's a really, we've had some conversations with Mary and Nana Yao and the team over there that are really important that we can extend the partnership to that community as well. So we really want to reach out, and it's a perfect scenario where we can use the strengths of Seek as well, and how do we make the program accessible. So bringing the 3 parties together is perfect. The technology is incredible, and it will allow the community of Accra and the fan base, the grassroots community, to hopefully benefit from the partnership as well. We think that's a really important part of the whole pyramid of football, that we're only strong as that base, and hopefully we can build on that as well. So that's something we've got coming up, hopefully, as we develop that model, working with Mary and Nana Yao and the team, and really look forward to bringing that to Accra. And actually, to on this point, we can't wait to get over there. We can't wait to come over, and we want to come to a game. So, fans over here, as you say, we follow every weekend, and I'm always texting Nana Yao on the results, good or bad.